Okay, so you want to know how to send money from ByBit to Tonkeeper? Well, I have the solution for you. Stay tuned to see this tutorial. The first thing you have to do is to verify your ByBit account. In my case, I didn't do it because I have another account. This is for testing. So the first thing you have to do is to go to withdraw here in assets, withdraw, press it, and then you will be in this website. You have to verify. Okay, in my case, I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to show you how. Then here you have to press this button in Tonkeeper receive, and you have to copy this address. Okay, when you copy this address, here in withdraw you will select the coin that you want to send to Tonkeeper, and then you will have to select a network. Which network do we have to select? Well, it's very easy. You have to select the Tonkeeper network. Don't choose the BNB, don't choose the Ethereum, etc. Just Ton network. So you put this address there upon the network, then you select how many cryptocurrency you want to send to Tonkeeper, accept, and in a few minutes you will receive here your balance, your cryptocurrency. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.